story. You would have more accept and appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
So for all who say Curry good as all you know say is a prank. Curry is not stupid. Curry is very smart. Curry is very smart people. This was a good one, guys. More congratulate him because me feel good. Say it is just a prank. That's the reason why. Just when people see them things here, them for stop enough up themselves. I tell you, know. I tell you no. I love this unity. Yeah. This give me goosebumps. I not lie. Y'all did a great job. But guess what? You never get me. You never get me.
When you see how great minds can come together, bro, the whole Jamaica, bro, having to say, yo, we in a war, you know what I'm saying? Talk how they really feel about everybody talk.
You see it? Everybody attack how them really feel in a war, all sort of people. You know what, Jesus, I love this. This make me happy. I don't think say you not happy like how me happy. Me know say I never fight. You know why me know say I never fight people? If this is real, Nickii and Klyne wouldn't so stupid to go at them yard. Nickii and Klyne would not be so stupid to go at them yard because first of all, them would get locked up, them would get charged. It'd be a big thing. Nobody not so stupid to go walk in a one bomb like if you go to somebody else.
We in a fight, you know. Brother.
Wanna get it for all I wanna who love enough up and quick for bash people. These things are called publicity stunt. You understand? Publicity stunt. It's a good thing I make sure when I make my video I made it clear. I love the both parties. Men I love none more than none. I make it clear so I love the both of them. Yes, people. Big them up, you know? Big them up. Ah, look for happiness. Me no say never real, but guess what? Uno did good. Uno did good. You see all when time them reach over there and Ken say, me no want them here. Me no want them here. I see Ken fling something come and say, why Gio that open the door for them in the first place? He would have must call the police. That's why I'm telling the people who love too much violence. You see how much people I watch? 5,000 ad. They got 6,000 people I watch because I don't like bagga too much. I don't like bagga. I don't ready to turn the two parties against each other. That's why I'm telling you, it's not, even when it comes to artists. I know the artists, them cause feud and drama, it's the fans. Because I don't take everything and I turn it and I put ideas in people's head to make people think like, say, people is against them. Look how them a laugh and a smile with them one another. Look. This was epic. Guys, this is epic. Imagine how them laugh at you. When we talk about say, oh, Ken too enough. I made it clear in my video. If it's not a prank, Ken need to apologize. But me think it is a prank. Remember me say that? Who remember some say that? Who open remember? You understand? Because Curry only speak facts. And for all who thumbs down because they talk the truth. And for all who say, oh, you know, say a prank because I'm not stupid and I'm not dumb. And nothing on social media can get to my head. You understand? Yes, this is a great thing. I love what them do. I want all of them reach 1 million very soon. And it's going to happen. You understand? It is going to happen, guys. May I tell you, say it don't happen. Yeah, I am so proud of them. Me didn't know you're from. Life with Corgooders didn't know. Life with Corgooders was didn't know.
They just get one girl with not foot like Nickii, but I never know. No, we know them just stand there, no. It's when a YouTuber child come up. It's when a YouTuber child come up, then just get some people who can act out with press you.
Unity is strength. Unity is strength. I'm want to look at YouTuber with a bad mind on the one another. You know me attack, you know yourself. You understand? You need to start live good. Live good. You understand? No, look at this, guys.
When before. Yeah, we just
you see that?
Yeah, we just never. It's in me that we still pass something. So
look there. It was them with them two nice women. Yo, I love this. And look how they look happy. You can see the happiness. See them happy. Me love them. And me glad see a prank gonna get. So for uno people, you see for uno people, I know no feel like a shit. I know no feel bad. Big up on yourself, you know. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself.
Why would I, if we don't collab with somebody, why would things like hate them like?
That's what I'm saying. I know everybody I go on to collab.
Because them are going to stay low. They're not going to depend on the top of it.
True. Boy, these two ladies, all I can say them beautiful. They're very nice females. They're beautiful guys. I'm hope so to learn something from this. And no say, you know fi quick for bash people. Don't be quick for bash people. Here. Do not feel quick to bash somebody. Sorry, the photo look like that, guys. It's not intentional. Do not be quick to disrespect people on the internet. It's not everything you see a vlogger post or a YouTuber post, a vlogger post or a YouTuber post is true. Listen what them say.
Shout out to my life owner, you see me, but when them just a forward, bro, they expect say yo, them forward and just link with the biggest them and them to just start that month and next month and blow, bro. You have to have a journey for yourself, everybody.
Yeah, you have to have a journey. And that me just tell people, you know. That me just tell people. People, me not understand when Curry say you have to build yourself first before you can do certain things. Because a lot of people don't know that. You don't know, so you have to build on yourself first. You have to have a journey by yourself. Build your own people them. So when you hear people start say, curry gang or whichever what they want to call me, brown stew, curry, me no business, curry goat, curry fish, whatever. You understand? You have to build on yourself first. Before you can think about certain things. Cross certain path. Do it for yourself. When you always hear me say, I could have pay a lot of YouTubers to promote me. You think I can't pay for get promotion? Look on the amount of money. You can check that. When me just show it at the time by giving super chat donation. I go places enough for you watch me don't go. I'm still on them chat. You understand? I'm give away name there. I'm give away money. Sometimes for the day $100 US me I give away. That $100 US they I wear them YouTuber charge promotion over them page. And because I say I want to do this for myself. I want to push myself through the gate. Get monetized without all of them foolishness there. I not say I not get help from people. Yes. But I don't know paid promotion business. I buy I go, that's why I give super chat. This a person might like my vibes. That person might like my vibes. So them come back on my channel. You understand? I'm promote myself. I'm all about. I try to jump on other people's screen. Try to give them a look of vibes. Because people like them something there, guys. People love those things. You understand? I want to all learn something from this. So bye people. My gone. Bless upon yourself. Nickii and Klyne, Gio and Ken. Big up on yourself. This was a good one. Very good one. I said, oh no, share them up. Yes, this was a good one. Bless up on yourself, my God.
I have to face it, bro.